Hello guys, this is Utkarsh. This is my Unix app exercise number 3, looping statement using shell scripting. So the first exercise, the first problem is factorial of a number. So I have already designed a program in this. And let me use this code.calendar. So here you can see it's exercise number 3, right? So let's complete exercise 3. So here you can see that was the factorial one, right? So the factorial program I've created here in this fact.sh. So let's see the program first. Fact.sh. So this program is in shell scripting. Uh, the computer prompts the user to enter the number, and the number entered by the user is stored in fact variable. And then there are two variables that we have taken, ANS and counter. This are initialized as 1 and 0 respectively. And then there's a while loop which runs unless and until this fact variable is not equal to counter. So counter's value will be updated here. Counter is equal to counter plus 1. It will be incremented one by one each time. And in ANS we will store the uh, ANS into counter. So suppose the first line value will be 0, next time it will be ANS is 1, so 1 into 0 1, next time it will be 1 into 1, next time it will be uh, whatever the ANS is, it is 2 into 1, 2 into 3, then 3 into 4, then 4 into 5, like that. And at the end, factor is ANS that will be printed. So this is the program. Let's see the output now. Enter the number, suppose we enter 5. So you can see the output is the factorial is 120. Actually, if we calculate also, the factorial of 5 is 120. So this was the first problem. The second is sum of given series. So you can see here the given series is 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to n multiplied by 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus up to n factorial. So for that also I made a program. You can see here series.sh. So we'll open this file in VI editor and check the program. So this is the program, and it's enter a number. So the PC prompts the user to enter a number. It's stored in A. The number entered by the user is stored in A. Then this A is transferred to another variable which is num, and another variable sum equals 0. Then there is a for loop which is now I equal to 1 to num and I is equal to I plus 2. Why we are using I plus 2 here is, see, you can see this is 1, then 3, then 5, it is intended by 2 every time. So that's why we are using I is equal to I plus 2, and then do sum is equal to sum plus I. This is I, right? So it will be incremented by I each time. That is 1, then next time 3, then next time 5, up to n. See, up to num. Actually, num is that the user enters the number, that is num. And then the sum of odd series is this. Then there is another for loop. It prints the another series, that is this $1 plus one factorial plus 2 factorial up to n factorial. This loop calculates that one, and at the end the sum of factorial series is dollar sum will print. So that was this series. Now the next is Fibonacci series. First we will check the output of this one. Enter number, suppose we enter 5. So the sum of odd series is 4. and the sum of factorial series is 33. So this is the output. The next one is Fibonacci, right? Sorry, yes, Fibonacci. So here is the Fibonacci.sh. So we open it via editor. So this is the program. It asks the user how many terms need to be generated. So the user will input n values, like the value of n, like suppose 20 or 10 or anything, and then here we have initialized three variables: x equal to 0, y equal to 1, I is equal to 2. We are using it here in this expression somewhere inside the value. Now it will print a Fibonacci series up to $n terms is this $x, $y. This $x, $y is initially x and y means the initial Fibonacci series is 0, 1, 1, then 2, then 3, 5, like that. So first initially it will print 0, 1, then through this loop it will swap the values of, it will copy the value of y to x, and to y it will insert, to another variable z it will insert x plus y, and then it will print x and z. Means it will actually not print, it will swap the values and again it will be printed. So this is how it's done. So let's now check the output. How many more terms to be generated? Suppose we enter 20 terms here. So you can see these 20 terms are generated: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, like that. And the next one is multiplication table. So what's the name of our multiplication program? This is multiplication.sh. So we open first. So this is the program, and enter number to be generated multiplication table. This is a simple program in which we read a number from the user and print the table of that number. So while $i less than equal to 10, so it's from actually 1 to 10 we have to print. So expression I is equal to expression $i plus 1, and here echo we are printing dollar number is into $i is equal to expression dollar number into $i. So expression dollar number into $i will multiply and it will print it like that. So you will see the output. Number 2 minutes, okay. So you can suppose 5. So 5 table is printed. See, you can see here the table is being printed. Now the fifth and the last program is scientific calculator. So calculator is this calculator.sh. So we will see here. So this is the program. Suppose a user has to do addition, so he has to enter 1, 2 for subtraction, for 2, for multiplication 3, for division 4, and so on. Now if user enters suppose this one, so case 1, so enter the first number and the second number, and the sum will be printed. Suppose he enters 2, so subtraction will be done, first number, second number, and subtraction will be done, and according to that everything will be done according to the choice of the user. So that's it. Now we'll check the output. Suppose we enter 2, enter the first number 3, another number 6, and the subtraction is -3. So that was it. We can check for another. Suppose 10th one, enter the degrees. Suppose we enter 90. So the tan of 90 is 1255.765. So always given the exact value. So that was it. Thank you.